Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Pinterest. To know how to fix being slow on Pinterest app, you click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Pinterest and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. First stop. Then you can click on storage. After that, you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget to support us.